Welcome. Today I want to talk more about Novus. Novus has approximately 2 weeks since it was launched in Kenya, though their offices are still in London, UK. So here you have Novus about disclaimer. Novus is all about trading in Forex. Now, I think if you don't know more about Forex, you can go to Google and search more about Forex. Now, this is the guy behind the Novus. He is the CEO and the co-founder. The man is called Mark Powell. Unlike conventional Forex platforms, Novus helps you to invest your money with them and then they trade on your behalf. Now, to trade on their behalf, you have to choose some of their packages that they offer. One, we have basic, starter, advanced plus, and more. Basic is equivalent to 10,000 Kenya shillings, where you get ROI, that is return on investment of 7% weekly. That means if you invest 10,000 Kenya shillings on their back office, and back office looks like this. This is their back office. So if you invest with 10,000 Kenya shillings, you'll get an 7% return on your investment of. You'll get 7% on your investment on weekly basis. Actually, they pay on every Sunday. You also have other. So if you want to, you can also choose, apart from basic, you can also choose starter, advanced plus. You also have other packages like $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, and this is their ROI. You also have special investor packages. You have Infinity and Ultimate, $25,000 and $50,000. Now you also have the activation fee. Activation here comes when you withdraw money. So when you withdraw money from their back office, you will be charged this fee depending on your package. Now this is more about Robert Kiyosaki quadrant. Those who have job, those who own a system, those who own a job, and those who own investment, or those people who money works for them. You also have compensation plan. You have more about this is more about referring and direct referring of bonus, where you get 12% if you refer somebody. This is why you get when you refer somebody, you get 12% of the amount of money that they deposit. That is when they choose, depending on the package they choose that we have, the one I've just talked about. Depending on the package they choose, either the 3,000, 5,000, or the basic, as we talked about, you'll get a 12% on every person you refer below you. Now, you also have Indirect, Unilevel commission, where you get 2% on your 4th generation. You also have binary commission and more. There's a link that will take you to this place where you're supposed to register. Registration is all free. For instance, you need to put your names, your second name, your email, your username. You also need to choose your gender. You also need to put your passwords and click on the check on their terms and condition. Then you sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be taken to this part, the back office. So here you have the direct referrals. The people you refer will appear here. You have the lifetime earnings, the package, profit wallet, and cash wallet. Now to deposit, you need to come to this part. Remember I talked about you also need a blockchain. you need blockchain to deposit cash to their back office. The blockchain helps you to change your cash into Bitcoin. Now, on your blockchain app that you have installed on your phone, there is a place where you're supposed to scan the QR code after you have deposited the amount on your blockchain. So once you deposit the amount, scan this QR code on your laptop and then feed in the amount. For instance, if I want to choose the 100 package that you talked about here, that is $10,000. So I'll just come to the make a deposit. I'll feed 112 instead of 100. The reason is because the extra 12 is used for fluctuation in case the Bitcoin fluctuates when you are depositing the amount, depending on now on the market. Now remember, it probably will not be consumed the whole, the $12 will not be consumed all of it. So the amount that will remain is still be yours and will remain in their back office. Once you're done, go ahead and click deposit button and you're good to go. Once you deposit, the amount will appear here that you have bought 100 package. Those people you're going to refer, you need to either feed them on the left or on the right. So this is your referral link. So what you need to do is click on it, and then a pop-up will come here on top, and then click OK. But you have to make sure that if this is right, next time if you invite, click on the left so that you can balance your legs. So now it's on the left, so you click and send it to your friend. So you need to balance, or you can even choose left on this week and then the other coming week you choose right, so that you can balance your downlines.